What's up? What's good? And good morning! Welcome back to my channel. We're here at Jaytees restaurant in Tagaytay City, and we're gonna have lunch here with the team, and we're gonna enjoy the food, guys. Bulalo, crispy tawilis, caldereta. We have lechon kawali, crispy pata. Overlooking yung Taal Lake, the beauty of Taal Lake. There you go. And we're gonna eat here with my team, and we're gonna enjoy the food. So join us, guys, as we chow. Let's go. So guys, we're at Jaytees and we're excited. We're waiting for the food. And gutom na kami, medyo gutom na kasi pumunta kami sa The Sky Ranch. Wala namang nanalo sa amin sa mga challenges. But we enjoyed the rides, the food, the place. And now we're hungry, super hungry. So we're gonna eat bulalo. Read my lips, bulalo, tawilis, at a lot of food here. Monica ordered crispy pata, super spicy sisig with the emphasis on super and spicy, and laing and ginataang kambing, and we kind of ordered a lot of food. I think all of the food in the menu, we ordered it all. So we're gonna eat. Let's dig in. Bulalo. Okay. Bulalo and veggies. Bulalo.
New single. Thank you.
Yes.
I thought you're giving. Sorry.
Ano ba mo?
Assume. Crispy pata. Hey, it's okay. Grab na lang. Grab. Ano to?
Tawilis. This is crispy tawilis. It can only be found in Taal Lake. Fried to perfection and really great. Crispy pata. Enjoy sa bulalo. Tawilis, vinegar, spicy, super spicy sisig. Spicy. Bulalo. Alright.
Marrow, sir. Thank you.
Meron po. Thank you. Guys, dito sa JT, pag humingi ka ng bone marrow or yung uyok sa baka, yung pinakagitna, yung marrow, beef shank marrow, they'll give it to you for free. And ito yung pampabata dahil hindi ka natatanda. Look at that. There you go. Ooh. Sing for us. There you go. Despacito daw. With my queen.
Yung kay Moira na masakit, tagpuan.
Masakit.
Palagi na lang bang masakit? Dahil ba nasasaktan ka palagi?
Ha? Oo, yun logo na rin.
Kung di lang rin ikaw,
Kung hindi rin lang siya,
kukunin ko yung sapatos. Ay, sorry. Alright, they're gonna sing for us, guys.
tagad ko ka.
Huh?
Tagad once.
They're singing for us. Kung di ka stop, where did I go wrong? Di ba may kantang gano'n ang tone? Di ba, Nash? Break it down.
Ang maganda daw siya, hindi siya.
Look at it. Bone marrow goodness. Here guys, so isang table lang to kami. Tapos parang dalawang table dyan sa yung side na yan. Pero tingnan nyo naman, puno na ngayon. Wala nang lulugaran yung tao, guys. So that would only mean one thing. If a restaurant would have a lot of people that would eat every day, that means the food is good. The food is really, really tasty. Their bulalo, the consistency of their bulalo, guys, is it's not rich in that bad old sebo fat taste. No, that leaves a bad taste in your tongue. No, it's prepared and the soup is very tasty. The meat is tender, plus that bone marrow goodness. The tawilis, well, a little bit matabang, right? It doesn't have much of a taste, fishy taste na matabang. And then, but paired up with vinegar and garlic, perfect. You have also sisig, typical sisig, normal. Super spicy but not sacrificing their taste. The lechon kawali, crispy pata, very tender too. The skin is awesome. It's really great. When you bite the goodness and the tenderness of meat, you'll taste soy sauce, you'll taste patis, fish sauce, and pepper. cayenne. It's a bit spicy. There's a kick, and then fried to golden brown perfection. Their food is amazing. Jaytees in Tagaytay. So guys, kaya naman kabantay ang mga waiter. Ubos ng bonnet. Exit na ta, Prince. Go na.
Yes, let's go.
Go na. Ipalabas ang van, okay? Una ng van. Kasi mo nag-exit, Prince.
Siyempre ako na lang. Bye-bye!
Ikaw ba una ni-exit sa life niyo? Ay, di ba siya?
Ako.
Sabay kayo.
Basta na ako very light.
Na
Ikaw
1
na, exit na
second.
tayo.
Mga 1
Alright.
second.
Mga 1 second, guys. So, after here, we're gonna go to Starbucks to
Grab some coffee.
grab some coffee, enjoy the view, and enjoy Tagaytay. Food and Jaytees, the bulalo, and everything that we ate.
Everything is delicious.
Delicious, Monica! Hey,
Plus
nakatingog?
bulalo. May halong...
May halong sabaw.
Yun na yun.
So, the best you've tasted
So far.
man. Prince Rosari.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Muy bien.
My...
Nash, Sir Nash, did you enjoy the food?
Of course.
Ayan.
Maraming bulalo, grabe.
Basta kumakaway na si Sir Nash, na-enjoy na. Alright. Mommy, you enjoy the food? How was it?
It's amazing.
Amazing. The food is amazing. Alright. The people has spoken. Bulalo. So we've enjoyed JT's Bulalo, and so full right now. It's really tasty. Mommy, what can you say about the food?
The food is amazing and it's worth it. So if you're here in Tagaytay, you can take your lunch here. It's very worth it, and the delicacies and cuisines are amazing.
What she said. And this has been your boy, J-Man Good Boy. As always, keep it simple.